Hiya guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make an automatic train. So let me just show you real quick how it works. Give it a second, it's loading. And this is how the train works. As you can see, it goes all the way over there. It's following the parts. And it should come back any second now. And see? It turns around and it comes right back to its original position. And it loops this all the time. It's constantly doing this. It never stops. As you can see, it just repeats itself all over again. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so what you want to do now is grab a train model that you want, and then add a script into the train, remove all this, copy the script from the description and paste it in here. And change the speed as much as you want. I'm going to put it as 10 for the sake of the video. And then you're going to go over to workspace, add a folder, and name it train path. And then what you want to do is add a part and place it, make sure you place it right in front of the train, just under it, or however way you want to place it, I don't know. Just place it there, and then put the parts into the train path folder. And then just duplicate as many as you want. I'm just going to do 4 for the sake of the video, just to demonstrate for you guys. And now, if you guys press run, you'll see your train. Oops, I kind of forgot to anchor the parts. Don't forget to anchor the parts, guys. I completely forgot how to do that. Now let's try that again. And as you can see, guys, your train is now moving. It's moving perfectly fine. And there won't be any glitches or anything because this is using heartbeat in your script. As you can see, guys, the train is moving. So that's it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 300 subscribers. Bye, guys!